In this video, we will talk about chemistry again. Let's go. Whereas chemistry reached down into physics for its explanations, and throw physics further down into mathematics for its quantitative formulations, it reaches upwards into biology for many of these most extraordinary applications. That should not be surprising, for biology is merely an elaboration of chemistry. Before biologists explore in indignation at that remark, which might seem akin to claiming that sociology is an elaboration of particle physics, let me be precise. Organisms are built from atoms and molecules, and their structures are explained by chemistry. Organisms' functions, that is, are alive, by virtue of the complex network of reactions taking place within them, and those reactions are explained by chemistry. Organisms produce by organisms reproduce by making use of molecular structures and reactions, which are both a part of chemistry. Organisms respond to their environment, such as through afflection and vision, by changes in molecular structure, and thus those responses, all our five or so senses, are elaborations of chemistry. Even that hypermicroscopic phenomenon, evolution and the origin of species, can be regarded as an elaborate working out of the consequences of the second law of thermodynamics, and is thus an aspect of chemistry. Some organisms I have in mind, principally human beings, conge- uh, cogitate on the nature of the world and the mental processes that underline and um, are manifest as these cogitations are due to elaborate networks of chemical reactions. Thus, biology is indeed an elaboration of chemistry. I shall not press the view, whatever I actually think, that all matters of interest to biologists, such as animal behavior in general, are also merely elaborated chemistry, but confine myself to the assertion that all the structures, responses, are processes of organism are chemical. Chemistry thus pervades biology and has contributed immeasurably to our understanding of organisms. We, sociality, elaborate organisms. We humans build things. We fabricate artifacts. We mine the stones of the earth, pump the fluids from the deep, and harvest the gases of the skies and aim to turn all this raw material into whatever we desire. The conversion of those raw materials into substances that we can molded, hammered, spoon, glued together, eaten, or simply burnt is a part of chemistry. Chemistry might step aside and allow models to model, hammers to hammer, shapes to shape, and in general fabrications to fabricate, to create the final artifact. But it's they who have provided the raw material, the infrastructure of our modern technological society, and have contributed hugely thereby to world economies and the development of individuals and nations. As I have emphasized in the preface, there are of course speckles and blotches of black amid all this light. Chemistry has certainly contributed to mankind's ability to aim and kill, and it would be inappropriate in this survey of what chemistry is to sweep under the carpet of this page its provision of explosives, of nerve gases, and its accidental and intentional impositions on our fragile environment. I shall confront these issues later, but at this stage, to emphasize the importance of personal judgment, I invite you to eliminate all these contributions of chemistry to the modern world, which will take you back to the painful, dangerous, uncomfortable, aspirationally restricted area of the Stone Age, and to ask yourself then whether the current darkness outlives the light. Thanks for watching.